leaders and managers. Do you remember what motivated you to take on a pivotal role in the management team? Besides the monetary incentives that come with greater responsibilities, your job is to set aside your personal opinions, concentrate on relationship management, and ensure your team understands and shares a common goal. That's one of the most demanding and difficult jobs in the world. Although you understand good morale matters, oftentimes you prioritize surviving the life or death situations in day-to-day business operations. The crux of this issue is that many key decision makers haven't realized how prioritizing employee human skills development training can benefit everyone collectively. What if there was a solution for you to go from a good leader to a great leader? Be Relevant Network is a one-stop shop that offers businesses of all sizes a full range of human skills development services encompassing strategy consulting, off-the-shelf workshops, and fully customized training from start to finish. We encourage you to undertake a thorough transformation of your employee training approaches. We help you inspire your team and develop personal growth opportunities that elevate your team's experience. Our goal is to support you to become a transformational leader and empower you to create a friendly and positive work culture where your team feels heard, respected, and valued. Be Relevant Network is your results-driven and people-focused partner. Looking for a proactive approach or an adaptive solution to increase employee engagement? Be Relevant Network makes learning human skills fun and engaging. Learn more about us at BeRelevantNetwork.com/business. Happy employees, happy customers.